In Australia, a great example would be remote Indigenous communities. The way people currently get glasses is the government has a fly-in, fly-out system for optometrists who are sent to regional centres, and Indigenous people can attend and get their eyes checked and get free glasses. In my engagement with Indigenous communities, there is a problem here in that a lot of people don't want to travel to or are unable to travel to regional centres. They prefer to stay on country, and I think that's something we need to respect. Someone might want to stay on country and be willing to compromise a little bit on the style of glasses, the quality, whatever, if they're able to stay where they are and be seen and treated by someone in their own community, like an Aboriginal healthcare worker. I would like the opportunity to tap into the Indigenous Health Worker Network and just try it and see if people in remote communities find that service helpful. We can't say this is what you need. You need to get as good quality as we get in the city. I think we need to respect their choice. Great if we can fly them into a regional centre or they can travel by bus to get a full eye health check. But if they choose not to, they could still be able to get glasses in their community.
Welcome to Multiple Hats, a show about STEM professionals who have gone off script and carved their own path beyond the tracks that were set for them. Science, technology, engineering, mathematics, medicine, how they found their why and what it takes to make it happen.